So today, as we get ready for our weaving, we are going to do two things. One, we're going to color all of our hearts, and two, we're going to cut our dry paper into strips, and I'll get them all ready for you so next week we can weave them together. So we'll do those two things today. So when we color our hearts, we're going to use markers, and we're going to color them with different colors. So each heart will be a different color. We're going to color all inside. Notice that when I color with the marker, I hold it flat on its edge so that I get a nice thick line. And that way I can make sure I cover all the white spots. And I'm going to color all inside that heart completely. So that's my yellow one. Then I can make an orange one. And I'm going to color all inside, completely filling it all up. Then I could do another one. Now, if your marker goes outside of the heart a little bit, this time that's okay, because we're going to cut these hearts out, so we don't need to worry too much. And we have to have a red one, right? Because they're hearts. So we're going to color all on the inside. No white paper showing at all on the inside. How about another one? And we're going to color every heart on the whole piece of paper. So we're going to cut. Let's review. We have a small hole and a big hole. Our thumb goes in the small hole, and our fingers go in the big hole. And we can open and close the scissors. Just like that. When we cut, we want our thumb to be up. So it opens and closes. Hold your paper in the other hand and let that little alligator just open and close all the way up. Thumb up. We don't want to cut upside down. Thumb on top. Now we have our two pieces of paper from last week that are all dry. But if you turn them over and look on the back, there's lines on the back. And we're going to use our scissors to cut on these lines. So we'll take the scissors and we're going to cut very carefully, nice straight lines all the way across so that we get strips of paper. Be sure you're looking at the lines to see where to cut. We're even going to do this tall piece of paper. So we'll cut all on the line, all the way up, very carefully. And next week, we can weave all these different pieces of paper together. So we're going to cut everything up. So all my hearts are colored right out to the edges, and all my strips of paper are cut and bundled up together.